Good morning and welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to learn addition of decimal numbers. How to add decimal numbers. As we said earlier that decimal numbers are numbers that have decimal points in them. So any number with decimal points. So let's say 34.5 is a decimal number. You can also have 5.67 as decimal number because of these decimal points. Okay, so any number or set of numbers with decimal points in them are decimal numbers. Today we are going to learn how to add these decimal numbers. So let's look at example 1. Example number 1. So we have 0.23 plus 1.14. If you have something like this, how do you add them? But this is as easy as anything else you've been solving all this while. 3 plus 4 should just give you 7. So you write 7 beneath them. 2 plus 1 should give you 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3. You write 3. Then you bring the decimal point. 0 plus 1 will give you 1. So you have your 1 here. This is the answer to your first decimal question, how to add decimal numbers. Okay, let's look at another example. When you have 0.02 plus 1.56, how do you add them? First of all, let's rewrite them. You have 0.02 plus 1.56. You are adding. You add the 2 to the 6 and it will give you 8. You have your 8 here. Then you also add your 0 to the 5, which will give you 5. You bring your decimal point. 0 plus 1 is 1. Therefore, 0.02 plus 1.56 is equal to 1.58. I believe you are following now. Let's solve another example. How do you solve 134.25? So 134.25 plus 13.07. What matters most is that you know the decimal places. Okay, you know the decimal places so that whenever you're giving the numbers, you should be able to align them very well. If you don't know how to do all this, go and watch our previous lesson concerning decimal numbers. Let's move on. When you add 5 to 7, your answer will be 12. So with this 12, I'm going to write the 2 and carry the 1 forward. I'll add the 1 to this. So my 1 plus this 2 will give me 3. 3 plus 0 is still 3. You bring your decimal point here. 4 plus 3 will give you 7. You have your 7 here. 3 plus 1 will give you 4. You have your 4 here. Over here, you don't have anything. You can decide to bring 0 here. It wouldn't change anything. If you don't want to bring it, you can leave it like that. And then you bring the 1 here down. So therefore, 134.25 plus 13.07 is equal to 147.32. Solve these examples on your own. Example 1. Alright, so solve these questions. They are your assignments. Question number 1 or assignment number 1, 0.193 plus 1.582. Assignment number 2, 3.833 plus 18.14. Assignment number 3, 1.73 plus 0.03. Let's solve this assignment together. All right. So we are solving this together. Let's solve the first one. Yes. You pause your video, you solve these questions. If you get them correctly, as I solve, you comment them in the comment section below. Okay. So we have our number one. What do we do? Let us rewrite them to be able to realign the decimal places very well. So I'll be having 0.193 plus 1.582. You underline them. Your 3 plus your 2 will give you 5. 9 plus 8 will give you 17. 17. So you write your 7, carry 1. You bring the 1 here. 1 plus 1 will give you 2. 2 plus 5 should be 7. 0.1 will give you 1. Or 0 plus 1. Sorry, 0 plus 1 will give you 1. Therefore, 0.193 plus 1.582 will give you 1.775 as your answer. Let's look at example number 2. If you get the first one correctly, please comment it in the comment section below. Number 2, we have 3.833 plus, sorry. The second one, we have 3.833 plus 18.14. Let us rearrange them, okay, so that we can realign the decimal places very well. We have 3.833 plus 18.14. As I said, if you don't know how to align your decimal places, kindly go to the previous lesson, go and watch that one first before you come here. Over here we have empty space. I can decide to leave it, but if you can't, you can write 0 here in place of it. It will not change anything though. So you have your 3 plus this 0 will give you 3. 3 plus 4 will give you 7. 8 plus 1 will give you 9. Point. The 3 plus 8 will give you 11. So you write your 1, you mean the 1, you bring it here. So 1 plus 1 will give you 2. Therefore, 3.833 plus 18.14 will give you 21.973. If you get this one also correctly, kindly comment in the comment section below. Let's move on to assignment number 3. Okay, your exercise number 3. You have 1.73 plus 0.03. Let's rearrange them. You'll be having 1.73 plus 0.03. 3 plus 3 will give us what? 6. 7 plus 0 will give us 7. You bring your decimal point. 1 plus 0 will give us 1. Therefore, 1.73 plus 0.03 will give you 1.76. Thank you so much for being part of today's lesson. Kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Share the link to your friends to also join us. Solve more questions under how to add decimal numbers. See you again in our next lesson. Thank you.